this small representation, I'll just try to represent the situation of the poor in my city. Hi, this is Aditi Sharma and I'm from Saharanpur, a small city in Uttar Pradesh. Just take some time from your busy and hectic schedule and take a look of that life which we will never even imagine. When I saw these kids, I just imagined how are they surviving. On my way, I have learned a lot of values from these poor people, poor children. Just ask yourself, can you survive in a cold season where cold windy winds are blowing? Can you survive in that season in just one blanket? Children of 10 to 12 of years are earning for their survival. Poverty just snatched their childhood. Their childhood is lost in this poverty. Even the girls of the family has to sleep on the footpath in an era where girls are not safe even at homes. When I saw this situation, I seriously thanked God to bless me with all the comforts. And you know what? They don't want new dresses or tasty food or any adventure to make them happy. But 2 meals a day can make them smile. And trust me, that smile is priceless. Seriously, that smile is really priceless. But instead of helping them, some rich and well-off people humiliates them. At some point in our life, every one of us saw a scenario where a rude and rich and well-off man insult a rickshawala or sometimes slap him. But how many of us has stopped that rich man? Or how many of us stand by the side of that rickshawala? I seriously appealed everyone who is listening me to stand for a poor, to respect the poor. He is also a human being. गरीबों की भी एक पहचान मान लो, अमीरों के हंसने का सामान मान लो, और अगर भर गया हो मन मजाक से तो यारो गरीबों को भी इंसान मान लो. Look at that faces. They are really happy with their lives. They don't complain to the God. They are happy with what they have. I'll introduce some of these kids to us who tell their dream to us. What are their dreams? Let's check it.
मेरा नाम हार्दिक है. मुझे पढ़ाई करना बहुत पसंद है, पर मुझे पता नहीं मैं पढ़ाई कर पाऊंगा.
मेरा नाम दिव्या है. मैं गिटार पढ़ना चाहती हूँ. मेरा पढ़ना एक सपना है. हमें 2 टाइम का खाना मिलता है. कभी कभी मेरे 12 साल की उम्र है. मेरा नाम शीश है. 2 टाइम का खाना खाता हूँ.
हाय, मेरा नाम प्यार मोहम्मद है. मैं स्कूल में पढ़ना चाहता हूँ. 2 टाइम का खाना खा पाता हूँ. क्या करें, मेरा सपना है बस स्कूल में पढ़ना चाहता हूँ मैं.
Oh my God, I really get the goosebumps. Remember our childhood? Education is just a burden to us, but education for them is really a biggest dream. And you know what? Our little efforts can make a lot for them. We can help them by giving the things which are not of our use, but definitely it can be useful to them. And in a legal term also, I want some changes in our rules and regulations in our law. And that is, I want 12th class education mandatory for every children in this nation. Proper nutrition should be provided to the children who are malnutrition. And at the end, I just want to appeal you everyone to help the poor as possible as you can. Thank you.